Welcome to today's tutorial. We are excited to introduce our new enterprise feature that allows you to synchronize Teams Manager with a SharePoint list and connect people metadata to SharePoint permission groups. Before you begin, make sure you have created at least one SharePoint template and one SharePoint-based team using Teams Manager. Once that is done, follow these steps. First, open the settings in Teams Manager, switch to expert mode, and navigate to SharePoint content. Enable the option to provision content from the SharePoint site. This ensures specific content from the SharePoint site template is provisioned. Next, switch to the second tab and turn on synchronization to a SharePoint list. To validate the SharePoint site URL, open your SharePoint site, copy the metadata from its URL, paste it into Teams Manager, and click Validate. Then, create the list you want to synchronize Teams Manager content with and validate it. After both the site and the list are validated, click the Synchronize button. This process might take a few minutes to complete. Once synchronization is complete, go back to your SharePoint site. Under Site Contents, you will find the list you just created and validated. When you open the list, you will see all the teams managed by Teams Manager, along with their information, including the names of owners and members, group IDs, statuses, and more. The best part is that changes made in the SharePoint list are automatically synchronized with Teams Manager, and changes in Teams Manager are reflected in the SharePoint list. For example, if you change a team name in SharePoint, it will automatically update in Teams Manager after a few minutes. This feature is designed to make life easier for Microsoft admins and to improve efficiency and governance. If you would like to learn more about how Teams Manager can support your organization's governance policies, book a free demo with one of our experts on our website today.